Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record expenses on MyT accounting software. To record expenses on MyT accounting software, we need to go to Spend Money section. From here, select bank account or cash account where you have spend money for. So for example, I have credit card account. And here I need to click Add Transactions. Add an expense number. So for example, I have a travel bill 23456. Add the date when this expense has been incurred. Add paid to received from. So in this case, I will have train limited tickets and add amount. So I will add £35 there. It is expense and I need to find where is travel. All these codes are sorted in alphabetical order, so travel and subsistence is almost at the bottom. Okay, and click Save. We can still edit and we can delete this entry. So let's add next one. So I have 2345 on 5th and I have hotel limited receipt. So stay for event. Amount, I have £65, expenses, and I need to find where I would place this one. So I think so I will choose the same, travel and subsistence, and click Save. And I have also meals receipt, so I will add meals receipt. Let's put food limited, and meals were 43.50, and expenses, and I will choose the same, travel and subsistence, and save. Once I have added all these lines, make sure the last line is deleted, otherwise it will give you an error message saying that there is still one line available to be filled in. And once all this been added, click Save. So now when I go to banking and banking ledger, and when I click on my credit card, there are transactions what I just added as expense on my credit card. So in this episode I showed you how you can record expenses if you have spent, for example, from your credit card, or also you have spent from any other bank account on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.